Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is a review of this outer layer I'm wearing. In fact, I should zoom the camera back and give you a better look. So BAERskin Tactical reached out to me to do a video for this fleece, and I agreed because it's something I would actually wear. In fact, I've been wearing it all week because now that we're reaching fall and the weather has been a little chippy in the morning, I've been wearing it in the mornings, and yeah, I've only been wearing it for a week, but I'm really digging it. I will say these security patches here don't come with the fleece. I added those because, for those of you who don't know, I work security, and I just ordered these on Amazon. One of those ways I could try to get away with wearing it at work, because technically they want you to wear their own stuff, but their own stuff sucks. So it's like, well, I'd rather wear outerwear that's going to keep me warm, dry, and keep me from getting sick, versus the garbage that they give you. Then people get sick because they're wearing improper clothing, and then they get all pissed off because you called in sick, so they have to pay someone overtime to fill their spot. It's like, well, that's because your clothing sucks ass. You know, let us wear something nice, as long as there should, you know, some qualities should be black, and we can just stick, you know, markings on it. But still, anyway, I could probably go on for much longer ranting about work, but anyway, this is a hooded. You probably saw the hood. You know, and I will say, I have a big dome, you know, big head. I wear a large hat and blah blah blah. Fully covers my head. Got the whole Unabomber thing going. It's got adjustments for the hood here, which I haven't really messed with yet. But you know, on those really cold mornings, you know, keep your ears warm, keep back your neck warm. Hasn't been super cold yet, but it's coming. It's got a zipper pocket here. Let's see if I can lower the tripod. It's pointless to do a review if you guys can't see. So zipper pocket here. It's just a little tough to navigate. Well, it was. Maybe I had to unzip it a few times so you could keep, you know, little items in here, maybe a little flashlight or something like that. Mini Snickers bars, which I can't eat anymore. Boo. You know, trying to work on Mr. Gut. One on the other side too. So, hand pockets, of course, which you can't see, but I'll. So, pockets for your hands, which are pretty big. I mean, my hands are pretty large. So, got the breast pocket here. So if you're, let's see if it will hold my cell phone. Cell phones seem like they've gotten much bigger, and it will. So I could zip it up into your pocket. So if you're, I usually keep it in my pants cargo pocket, but you know, sometimes you're in a hurry, you just want to stash it real quick. So, pocket here, or maybe if you're a smoker, you could, you know, keep your cigarettes in. Has a really big inside pocket here. So I've always, I don't know if it's a black on black's gonna show, but that's a pretty big pocket. And then there's one up above too. So you got a pocket here, and then you got a zip pocket here. It's a little smaller, but you know, I mean, my hands are large and I've got my whole hand in there. So you can just zip that shut. And then the other side, same thing, another zip pocket. If I can close it, come on, there we go. And then a big pocket inside, but there isn't an upper one on this, on the right side, just on the big one on the here, but not here, which is fine, because those would hold like a pair of like fleece gloves. Throw them in there so you don't forget them. You're layering up. And One of the things I really like, and it's got a Velcro adjustment here, so you can open this up, put on a glove. I wish I'd brought some gloves now. That was dumb of me. You can throw some gloves on, and then you just tighten this down so you don't get air coming up your sleeves, which kind of suck. But yeah, I've been really happy with this. Like I said, I've only had it for a week. But so far I've been really happy with it. You know, time will tell. I haven't washed it yet because, you know, it's only been a week and it's still pretty clean. It's a little roomy. I mean, I wear a 3X, so there's plenty of room, so I can wear layers underneath. I am wearing 2 t-shirts, but when it starts to get really cold, excuse me, I'll throw on like a long sleeve underlayer. You could probably throw a sweater on under that if you're really chilled, and then put this on over it. So pretty nice. And they actually sent me 2 things, so let me go get the other thing. So they were nice enough to send me also this BAERskin rain shell along with the fleece, which I was not expecting, so it was a pleasant surprise. And since Washington rains a lot, this will very much come in handy. It's hooded like the... It's hooded just like the fleece, and you know, again, I have a big head, so plenty of hood and adjustments, just like the other. And something I actually recently learned from checking out their website today. You see this inner zipper here? I don't know if that's going to show black on black, but so I got a zipper here and a zipper here, so I could zip the fleece into this outer layer, which is a nice feature. So your fleece, if you're worried about the rain overwhelming your fleece jacket, you can just put this on and zip the two together. Now I don't know if they have clips on the, oh, they do. So right here they've got a button clip for the shell, so you could attach the sleeve of the fleece inside, so when you pull out your arm, you're not pulling the whole sleeve out, which I didn't realize I hadn't. And of course it's got the same adjustments. Doesn't have has a pocket on the left side, or my left side, with a patch, but it doesn't have one on the right. No breast pocket, but it does have, where are they? Oh, well, I guess I should lower it down and show you. It does have pockets for your hands. Inside pocket here, which is mesh. Inside pocket here, that's mesh. No upper pockets, just these downer ones, but that's not a big deal for me. So this one's also a little bit roomy. Maybe it's so it can accept the fleece as well, but I don't mind it being a little roomy. It just prevents you from, I don't know, if you don't like tight clothing and you like it loose, you know, you're gonna get that with these. So I mentioned the hood, adjustments at the waist so you can cinch it up. I like that it's not actually at my waist, it kind of goes down a little farther, which is a nice bonus. So in case you're in like really heavy rain. I don't know how, I haven't tested this in heavy rain yet, so I'm curious to see how well it does. Yeah, so. Okay, so some specs and info. So sizes go from small to 3X. So if you're bigger than a 3X might fit a 4X. I can't guarantee for the arms length or your torso length, but The shell that I showed you comes in black, yellow, dark teal, navy, and dark green, so you could, you know, pick what colors you like with it. And then with the fleece, according to their website, navy, dark green, gray, stone, neon orange, neon yellow, burgundy, and then teal blue as well. So a variety of colors, you can pick which ones you like. And they also have the cost is $99.95. It constantly says 60% off, so it's like $265.99, but I've never seen it at that price. I've only seen it at the $100. You know, but if I was purchasing this, $100 is about what I, you know, like $100 is not, it's not too much, I should say, at least not nowadays. But you know, yeah, sometimes you got to pay for quality, and you know, this feels good in quality, so at least in my opinion. But you know, now that we're coming into winter and fall, I'm sure the weather is going to be gnarly in shortly, so maybe I'll do a follow-up after winter, maybe this spring. Say, hey, how the jackets work out. I can give you a full update. And yeah, so anyway, like I said, description will have all the links, the link to the site, link to the fleece, and a link to the shell. If you sign up for their email, word of warning, they will bomb you with emails. So I didn't even sign up for their email. I've just been getting pummeled by emails, so just something to expect. I just started deleting them after a while, but they have some camp cooking. They have fleece blankets available. They have socks, socks, underwear, t-shirts. They got all kinds of stuff, so you can check out their website for other options or whatever you're shopping for. Even had bundle deals. So yeah, I guess that's it. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.